Hi guys, it's been a while. I had issue with my system, so I couldn't edit and publish videos like before. And good news, I've been able to get a new system. Of course, I'm going to do the review of it in this video. This is not a product review for advertisement. This is just myself trying to show how I unbox my new machine and how much I love it. So videos coming from this channel going forward will be edited with the same machine, and some of those guided videos will also be done using this same computer. So let's dive in and I'm going to show you. Within this pack, I have the system itself, and I also have something like this which I'm bringing out right now. I open it and I can see, oh, is the power pack. Now there's a power pack there. There are two sets. I have to join them together. And this is the second one. I also have some small pack, and that's the cord for extending the hard drive to mount. Okay, it's time to bring out the engine, machine. Oh, I saw something here which is okay, an envelope that comes with it. I open it up and you can see right there is a premium service card like that to say, okay, welcome to the Predator Club. And I see some instruction leaflet and also this invitation, which is more or less the gaming side of this system, and some stickers that I can use. All right, let's close this and go straight to the system itself, the machine as I called it. I have to open it up. It's in a pack and it's sealed, so I have to get something to cut it. And after that, the proper opening up of the system itself, and then I bring it out. I know you also want to see. Yeah, I'm so happy. I was so excited opening this. This is it. So it's not just about being neat. I feel something. Holding this system shows that yes, those dreams will definitely come to pass. I have so much that I want to accomplish or do with this system, and the specs, I'll show the video later. I've just had the screenshot of other details here. I couldn't use it the very first day because there was no light, and it's been configured in such a way that if it's not plugged the very first time, it will not power on. It came with Windows 10, but they recommend 11 for me, and it's downloading even though I've not completed the entire installation process. Super fast, and honestly the experience was really amazing for me, given where I was coming from DELL Lattitude E7470, something like that. So yeah, I mean, maybe not a perfect video like that, because out of excitement I was recording the unboxing in a portrait mode while I should have put it in landscape mode. But I hope you see the excitement, and then with this system I'm going to serve you more content, learning content. It's time to get back to work right now. Thank you. And in case you also want to get it, I'm going to put the details of where I got my physical location, and you might want to contact them and get, but they're very reliable. And that is all I will say for now. Thank you and bye.